broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Steven, Chad, guys, good morning. Very good morning to you. Gold is getting hit. I don't have my gold bonds on. They are now. Silver is on. Hey, Mark, Randy, Sue, Chris, Steven. Guys, first trade of the day is in on the bot. We just got this short on bonds. Just fired at 755. Both targets are hit. Bonds up 500 already. I have sent out an email to you guys with the new settings on the NASDAQ 3-minute, the ones I've changed to. Yesterday afternoon, I forget if it had 2 trades or 3 trades, but they were winners, all winners. I've also built a YM 3-minute. It's already in the longs. It's been on. It hasn't taken a trade yet, but it's... Yeah, Chris, that's only for the NASDAQ. I changed number 18. What I'll do is I'll work with Dean and get that site updated. I think he can now get into the site and update it. I sent it out this morning, Bernard. Went out this morning first thing. Check your spam and junk. Sorry, guys. My intention was to do it last night, but we had... Good morning, guys. If you're here on trial, good morning and welcome back. I hope that you guys are enjoying the week. The bots have performed very, very well. All right, if you don't have the email, just send me an email. Send me an email. And I'll just copy and paste it and send it back later. I know some of you guys don't get the benchmark email, but remember, if I send it an hour ago, 45 minutes ago, whatever it was, they don't instantly arrive. They get sent through a filter. So just check them again. And if you don't have it, just email me and you'll get it. All right. Coming into today, we've got 29 buyers. 47 buyers right now in the NASDAQ. Small buyers in silver. And we have 4,800 plus sellers right now in the ES. I've got small buyers in crude, 450. And they're buying currently, or have been buying overnight, some gold. Gold popped back up to 16. Currently moving a little bit lower. There is support here at about 10.5, some down at 9. I mean, there's support. We could come all the way back to 1690. I don't know that we do, but that would be the bottom end of the range. Just looking today, it's Thursday. Obviously, we have natural gas. I'm not sure what we might have for news. Jobless claims at 8:30. Let's not forget jobless claims. That's it for 4-star news. We have, smaller stuff, but in any event, we're here. We'll see what we come up with today. Let me read the disclaimer, and we're good to go. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. I sent out an email last night, got an email from one of our members. I don't know if you guys saw it, but apparently we have 3 or 4 now newly funded traders with Lilu. I got a Skype message this morning from someone that I have been working with, and he just has to trade today and tomorrow. He's already cleared the hurdle, so he's got to do a quick in and out, long close tomorrow, today and tomorrow, and he'll be funded next week. So we've got a bunch of guys, and they're using the bot. They are using the bot. Any questions, guys? Good morning, Todd. Anything for my trials? I'm not sure who's in the room yet. If you're here on trial. Good morning, Todd. Todd and Todd, back to back. Is the YM the same 3-minute settings? No, I just built it this morning, so who knows what it'll do. My tolerance for the YM is, good morning, Jeff. I emailed your daughter. My love for the YM. It runneth shallow. I don't much care for it, but it's been trading far better lately over the past week and a half than the NASDAQ. You guys might want to take a look at the euro as well. ECB came out with a monstrous stimulus package. Let's see here. I don't know if you guys are, hey Sam, good morning. I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but in the this is the NASDAQ updated bot, we now have a third target. I don't know if you guys have even noticed it. When's the last time anybody's looked at the settings? But we now have third target in there. Hey, we're getting a bid. NASDAQ. Just waiting, fellas, on we're going to be waiting on the jobs numbers. I don't think it's posted yet. Thank you, Dana. That's now. It'll be up in about 10 minutes. Our first target filled. gold's going to go, fellas. It's going to go. It hit second target. So you got 30 ticks on the runner. Hit second target again. And I'm out here at third target at 53 ticks. 53.
Target filled.
Booyah, baby. Booyah, baby. We're into some resistance here at 18.8. If we can get to maybe 19, it starts working to 20 half. Some resistance in here. There it goes. Come on, buddy. Oh, don't be a chooch. Look at that. Hit target. One tick shy. 1 tick shy of 53 ticks. Oh! Oh! 76 ticks, fellas. All right, fellas. You guys good? 76. One and done. That's right. Gold's long on the 3 minute as well. YM's getting ready to short. CL is getting ready to short on the 3 minute. I don't have it on yet, fellas. Wash, rinse, and repeat. You got it. Just to go over this analyzer. When it's highlighted over here, it's on. It's telling you the chart. Contracts. Unrealized P&L. And then realized P&L. That red X, if you wanted to close the trade, you close the trade. Just hit the X. You're out of the trade. One of the things I'm going to talk to Joel about programming into this is going to be the targets. So you guys know where you are. I mean, for instance, here's gold on the 3 minute, right? It just spiked up and hit first target and didn't fill it. See it? At 19 ticks. If you're not watching the chart, you may elect to take that. YM's up 130. Sometimes you feel disappointed when you hit your daily goal so fast. Learn to play golf. Go fishing. I mean, the whole purpose of what we do, fellas, is to make money and get the hell out of here. YM's up 235. I have no idea. 265. I don't know where first target is, though. This hit first target. It's up 400 and 500 bucks on the YM, guys. 600 bucks.
Target filled.
All right, we hit first target. I've got it set 1, 1, and 1 on the YM. 1, 1, and 1. So we have a realized profit now on the YM at $220 with 500 bucks going. I don't know where second target is either. Three contracts. Target 1, target 2, and target 3. So I can see it on the chart. We're here on the YM. $0.52. Okay. Thank you, Todd.
Target filled.
All right, so gold got first target on the bot. First target's off. Come on, little guy. Couple.
Target filled.
Both targets hit. Gold up 730 on the 3-minute. YM's got to break down below this second standard deviation. We're a bit oversold here, fellas. All right, I'll take it off.
Order filled.
All right, so I'm out. So I'm flat everything right now. So let's look where we're at. One trade on the bonds up 500. One trade in the YM, new chart I just built today, up 680. 377 gold, one trade, 760. 3-minute gold, one trade, 730. Not a bad start, right? 2,700 bucks and 4 trades. You got your target at 60. 62 quarters, 62 half. Now, me personally, I would be back out of the trade if I were in around 57 to a half, 3 quarters. I would be at break even. First target only. Guys, we got a hell of a day here. I mean, bots are doing their thing, fellas. Bots are doing their thing. I'm going to take this
Order filled.
and wait for the market. So the YM is up 820 on 2 trades. Bonds on 2 trades is up 1,000. Gold on the 3 minutes up 730. It's in longs. CL on the 3 minute is up 230. And gold on the 377 is up 1230. Right now it's in a long, down 400. So if we give that back, you're still up 8 and change, $800 right now. I would think I'm going to take that off.
Order filled.
I shut gold off. I would think that that's going to short. So here's where we're at. I could be wrong, but it looks like a short to me. Markets are bid. Bonds are getting hit again. Bonds are coming down. But this is where we're at with about 3.5 minutes to go, guys. You're up 18, 30, maybe 35, $3,600 so far if you're taking these trades. ES on the 3 minute has gone to target, so I'll turn that on. NASDAQ on that new chart has gone to target. Got a short and a long. Turn this on. No account assigned to it. That's on. That's off, done for the day. 3 minute, 3 minute, 15 range, and 3 minute. I would think that that's going to short. Okay? My bots are all on, guys. They're all on. Okay? If you're here on trial and you guys aren't entertained by the bot, I can't do anything for you. Yeah, gold is, I would think gold comes down, fellas. For me, it would have to come down through, I mean, you got support all the way through about 18. Gold could come down to 12.2. It really has to break 18.5. Very nice. First day of Lilu evaluation, you're up 850. Nice job, Mark. Anybody have any questions, fellas? Any questions? I've shut bonds off. Unless you get a massive long in the bonds, you're not getting another trade. So bonds are shut. Okay? Up $1,000 for the day. Bonds are up nicely on the week. So both targets filled on the 15 range right off the bat. Up 285. Told you I liked Russell Longs. Should have bought that at 42, 43.
Order filled.
And something filled. All right, crude shorted on the small 500 tick. Slow. Crude is just stinking slow. back above our 2 VWAP. That really should have come to first target. Let's see what we get. Gold, nothing. Yeah, or else, yes, Charles. It doesn't happen often, but that's generally how I trade it. Or else you'd be in 6 contracts. I track the time frames individually from week to day and week to week. Morning, John. Gold is rolling over. I think gold will probably come, if gold comes down below 18.9 or so, I think it works back into VWAP. A lot of buyers in gold today, but this is, this is about where I think gold has to come down below. This 18.3, 4 area. Yeah, it's a little choppy. Little nothing. I mean, we're well into longs. Gold is rolling. Watch this line here. Gold's a short, guys. If you like gold, it's a short. That's an order flow trade, not a bot trade. Your stop has to be 22 now. If it breaks this, I think we start working back down into here. Small area support right here, 18.7, 5, 6 area. Crude's just all sellers. They're not moving it anywhere yet. Sitting on VWAP. I'm not even getting a signal that nothing's close to. Crude's doing nothing but picking up sellers, and it's not moving anywhere. Here comes gold, if anybody is short gold. At 3 minutes trying to dust. ES is pulling back a little bit on the Unirenko. It's nowhere near a sell, but it's pulling back. NASDAQ is still bid. Russell has pulled back. Small buyers now in crude. I would have. Par for the course, crude just does its own thing. NASDAQ still bid. If this can work above 97.08, it can work up into 20. No, that's the alarm, Dana, whenever a door is opened. There's no truck here. We have no trucks coming. We're done. The last of the move was yesterday. CL's going to bid. Guess all the fun was in pre-market, fellas. And gold is going to short on the 3 minute. Lost it. How many guys for what, Mark? We had 3 the first day. You're about 6, 7 ticks, I would think. You get that 16 half. There it is. Oh, a couple more ticks. You got 16.6, I think. It hit 16.7, 16.8. 3 ticks shy of first target. And then I think it'll work down into here.
Order filled.
All right, gold is now short on the 3 minute. Fairly slow trade, guys. It's just looks right now we've got a trend day. Come on, break right here. 16, there's 16.5. Up. 6. There it is. First target. So anybody that took it based on order flow, you got your first target. Final target is going to be VWAP.
Target filled.
And booyah! Another target filled, fellas. Anybody ever see the movie Let It Ride? Anybody ever see Let It Ride? Am I having a day or what? Come on, Crude. Don't disappoint. Let's go. Nobody wants to own you. Guys, this is a trade I gave up around 19 and change. It's a great movie, Jeff. It's an awesome movie. It's old as the hills. It's with, and I can't think of his name. He was in What About Bob? I can't think of his name. Dana, help me out. You know the movies. Somebody help me out. Steven, help me out. I mean, I can picture him clear as day. This is Richard Dreyfuss. Thank you. Golly. Don't get old, guys. It's a bear. Here comes Crude. Come on. One more tick, you stinker. It hit first target on the... Another target. Booyah! That's another good movie. What About Bob? Bill Murray's the best. Excuse me. Yeah, I'll update you guys in a second. Jimmy, I don't even know. I don't even know. Supreme Justice Scalia saying a bonus to workers to convince them to come back to work is worth considering. Now you got to pay people to come back to work. You got to be kidding me. He couldn't have said Scalia. Anybody take crude? I mean gold? Guys, it's a 45 handle trade, a 45 tick trade from order flow. We're stuck again at one standard deviation at 56 on crude. Okay, Brad. Good job. I still think we're going to get VWAP on gold. I think 13 worst case. 13 worst case on gold. That's funny, Dana. All right, so what I don't like about crude in here is it's consolidating here. Come on down, crude. So gold hit second target at 39 ticks. I think we can get 13. You might get lower. We're sitting on some support right here. Right here. Man, I'm off by 2 ticks. You may want to take your ticks, fellas. Your prerogative.
Order filled.
Did its job. Did its job. Hit second target. I was milking it to 13. That was from 19 and change. So let's just take a gander at where we're at for the day, fellas. Okay? Here's where the bots are so far for the day. I mean, all you need is one day like this a month. 470, 90,
Order filled.
1470, something filled. I'll check it now. CL on the 500 tick. There was a spike up in it.
Stop.
OPEC talks continue. News on OPEC. The small time frame. You just screwed me up. That's the 500 tick. OPEC plus 470 plus 1470 plus 710. Can't do anything about news. Plus 285 plus 820 plus 1,000 minus 630 now. Bots are up $4,100 today. Thanks, crude. That was on some OPEC news. There's your VWAP, fellas. That's a 7 handle. 7 handle trade. If you took a plus, if you took it, and here comes crude right back down. You are a stink pot. Well, that's the problem with small time frames. You know, they react instantaneous. 500 tick is a small time frame. So here's the NASDAQ. I didn't have it on. This is the new chart. This is the one I put in member Skype. First target, second target, third target. 7 3/4, 15 3/4, 27 1/4 handles, fellas. Yes. Yep, they were, Rick. We've broken VWAP now on gold. If anybody's holding gold, this could come a mile. Bots are going to be quiet now, guys. We're a trend day. Everything is into longs. So we're not going to get many trades. Cold. Oh my goodness. You're up 1680 today for Lilu. I would call it a day, Mark. You don't get any bonus point. I mean, for instance, if you were, got your goal today in one day, they're not giving you any bonus points. I mean, that's me, but you do as you see fit. This is enormous. That's a 13 handle trade. 13 handle trade. Oh my God. Anybody have any questions, guys? We'll watch for. I mean, again, I'm not sure we're going to get many more trades. We're clearly into a trend day. So the 3 minutes, the bigger time frames, you have almost no chance of trades there. You're not going to get a trade there. That won't go long. You can shut your gold 3 minute off, guys. You're not going to get a trade. Gold is on the 3 minute is well rolled over. The probabilities of a trade on this bigger time frame is slim to slim left town. Russell, you got a shot. Silver, maybe. I don't think so. YM, you might as well well, if you've got this new chart, which nobody does because I haven't shared it yet, that's not going to take another trade. It's well into longs. NASDAQ on the 3 minute, you can shut that off. You're not getting a short today, or at least while we're in the room. And our high probability NASDAQ, you can shut that off with the 14-minute filter, not getting another trade. ES, possibly here. You're not going to get a trade there. I mean, we're basically done for the day. We're only up $4,100 in a couple of, 2 hours? I mean, unless we get some pretty strong reversals here, we're not getting it. You're welcome, Todd. Unless we get reversals somewhere, you're not. I mean, I just don't see it. It's all buyers. They bought that dip. Gold on the 377's got a shot of a trade, but not the 3-minute. I may get an order flow trade. Gold could get to 13,102. 8 a.m. Starting with gold at 8 a.m., crude at 9 a.m., and the indices at 9:30. But again, I want to qualify it, guys. Not like there's not trades to do before we come in the room or after we leave the room. We got to get a pullback. NASDAQ could come back to 15. It could theoretically come all the way back to 96.91. It's at 96.91. It would not give us a short on the 3-minute. Still would not give us a short. Small time frame 15 right now. I missed it. I could have taken a small time frame short. Gold is a long, if anybody's interested in gold. Gold is a long. Right around, you can take it in here, it's a long. Maybe 11, 10. Well, it's failing on me. You got to be kidding me. Failed at VWAP. Small positive delta, but still failed at VWAP.
Order filled.
All right, you got me on that. This is support here, 7.7. It's not holding. It's trying. ES well into longs. I got nothing there. The NASDAQ pulled back to that 18. Might now come down to 12, but NASDAQ could roll back over to 96.93. Crude's turning up. this mess. Small range. NASDAQ's green on every time frame out to 60 minutes. No, John, I'm using the 1 in 3 minutes. So it depends, on the open, when it's, you're getting more directional move, you could do the 5 and 10 range. If I had it on 5 and 10 range, I'd have had that trade. I'd have gotten this short. But I'm using the 1 and the 3. So we're well into longs. If it turns back up, it'll give me a trade. I would expect it to turn back up. Guys, is there anybody that didn't make money today? Do I have anybody not making money? Come on. Not that close. 5 ticks, 8, 7 ticks. There's just nothing in this NASDAQ, guys. Top of the hour coming.
Stop fill.
Out. That's it. Done for the day. I'm done for the day with that. Done for the day. It's made money. I'm done. Guys, every one of my charts is off except for this current crude trade. Every one of my bots is done. This is just sloppy, 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 sloppy. Crude on the 3 minute up 470. This 500 tick we have now replaced with a 987 and different parameters. We'll see what this does. Gold on the 3 minute up 1470. On the 377 up 710. YM on the chart I built today up 820. ZB up 1,000. No trades on the 3 minutes anywhere. They're all into trends. They're just into trends. Yeah, I mean, we'll get a little bit of a push, whatever's going to happen into the close of Europe, and that's it. I won't. I'll be done. I'm done. All my bots are off. I mean, right now we've got 1,000, 820, 650, 710, 1470, and 470, minus 990, however this trade completes. We're still up 4130. Yeah, hey, David. Still up 4130. Yeah, I mean, that stimulus package with the EU helped a lot. I do have a euro setting. I'm not, I haven't set it up. I'll look at it for tomorrow. I don't know what the tick range is on crude, but it's pretty dang small. I mean, crude is. Gold looks like it's trying to get a move up. It's got to get through VWAP with some buying. Got net buyers on the session. Uh-oh, don't look now. We're up 3 ticks on crude. Don't anybody get excited. Let me see 4. Can I get 4? Can I get 4? Can I get 4? Nope. Handles, come on. We're all friends here. Come on. It's holding that last shard of support. Trade them as you see fit if you guys are in it. I think there it goes. Come on. Oh, 1 tick. Don't you do it. 1 tick shy. Oh, my God. 1 tick. You kidding me? Come on. Seriously. 1 tick? I'm not touching it. Take that. Booyah! Another target. Booyah! We should get that second target now, guys. Booyah! Another one. Another winner. We could shut that off. Here we go. A rock. A rock. Telling OPEC Plus something. Hang on, guys. Okay. There's another booyah baby. There's my 13 half target. You have to email me, Sumran. Email me and I'll send it to you. Send me an email. I'll send you the Unirenko bars. That trade was on for perpetuity, but we optimized it, and look what we get. Target. For those of you guys that are, newer with the bot, or you guys, if you don't have the back testing strategy, I suggest it. I recommend it. It's $249. I mean, I will always. It is right here, dude. It's right here. Right there's your arrow. You can email Joel directly, and he can invoice you. I will send it to you, Rick. Yeah. It is not. No, that's not my email address. NASDAQ's going to fire a trade at the close of this candle. There it is. Okay, so we're short. Well, it's working a whole lot better than that stupid 500 tick. And again, this is the chart that I optimized yesterday on the NASDAQ. So we'll see what we get. How about that gold, fellas? Now again, I shut my 3-minute gold chart off. First target was hit at 24 ticks. Moving into second target at 47. Look at this. Booyah, baby. Booyah, baby. Oh, you're not going to. Oh, come on. It hit target to. Booyah. Another booyah, baby. This is the chart I sent you guys out today in an email. 13 handles. First target hit. If you guys are here on trial and you don't own this bot tomorrow, you're a hard crowd to impress. Here comes second target. 26 handles, fellas. Yeah, it didn't fire. I'll optimize ES. One of the guys asked me about it. Came pretty dang close to that second target. I need another 3-minute candle, and that should probably do it. If the NASDAQ comes below 35.50, it comes to 96.17, below 35 half. If it gets below that second target, it's going to get abused. Okay, some small buyers, not going anywhere. Come on, sell it off. Sell it off. There we go. Sell them. There we go. Sell them. Uh-oh. Come on, break 44. Come right down to 4. Uh-oh. It's holding that. Oh! Booyah! 26 handles. Yeah! That's right. We having fun yet, fellas? Had to wait all day for it. You got greedy. You're up 2,000 now. It's not a good thing in trading, dude. I'm just letting you know. You do not get brownie points for passing your thing early, dude. I'm just telling you. Have a daily goal and stick with it. My energy makes you excited. I'm sorry. I'll try to be less enthusiastic. I'll just go like booyah. Another target hit. Booyah. Isn't that exciting? Here comes crude on this chart we optimized. Not nearly. I mean, look, you got to have fun, guys. Trading can be stressful. You got to have fun. You've got to enjoy what you're doing. All right, I'm going to kill this trade. It's going to bounce back up. NASDAQ could bounce right back up to 69.
Order filled.
How about that? One trade today up 935. How about them apples? My friend's wicked smart. Here comes crude. If we can get a break here of this 45, you're going to get that second target, guys. Guys, these bots have to be up well over 5,000 today. Got to be. Still holding this stupid support here. So all in all, fellas, listen. You still got $400 back here, right? It's a winning trade, whether or not it goes to second target. So this is the optimized 987. Yesterday we optimized this one trade, and then overnight, or early this morning, I optimized a YM chart which did $820. All right, done. So let's see where we're at. So we're no longer using a 500 tick. I'll work with Dean, and we'll get the member area up to schnuff. So these first two cancel out, right? Up 470, down 470. So let's see where we're at. You got $500 on the ES Unirenco one trade, 1470 in gold, 3 minute, 710 on the 377, 935 on the NQ one trade, 650 on the NQ 15 range, 820 on the YM, and 1,000 on bonds. How about $6,085? $6,085. How about that? Anybody have any questions, guys? My bots are all off. We're done for the day. Anybody have any questions? For my members, I'll be sending you out these last couple of charts that we built.